The course content of research methods by ASPICE Technologies. The introduction chapter gives you the hallmarks of scientific research, the building blocks of science and research, the hypothetic deductive methods. Chapter 2 gives you the process for applied and basic research, broad problem area, preliminary data collection, background information on the organization, information on structural factors, management philosophy, perceptions, attitudes, and behavioral responses. The next chapter gives the need for the theoretical framework, namely the variables theoretical framework. Experimental designs will be in the fourth chapter, the lab experiments, the field experiments, and the chapter 5 gives you the statistical regression, mortality, identifying threats to interval validity, statistical regressions, factors affecting external validity, types of experimental designs, and internal validity. Chapter 6 is fully dealing with simulation. Chapter 7 is very important on sampling, census, sampling, survey, sample design, implication of sample design, steps in sample design, characteristics of a good sampling design, different types of sample design, unrestricted simple random sampling, restricted or complex probability sampling, proposition, dispropositions, etc. And the chapter 8 is dealing with preparation of the report or the thesis. Chapter 9 deals with the data collection method, source of data, data collection with creditability, repo, motivation, individuals, questionnaire based data collection, advantages and disadvantages. Chapter 10 is dealing with the data analysis and interpretation. Chapter 11 is dealing with basic concepts of the role of correlation, factor loadings, evaluation of how and data fitting. Problem is using factor analysis. And chapter 12 is very important, cluster analysis, basically distance, a commonly used similarity measure, usefulness of the cluster analysis. Chapter 13 is dealing with the final part of the research report containing characteristics of well-known reports, integral parts of the report. Soft book will be supplied. The numbers in brackets indicate the page numbers in the soft book, and all these things will be taught in most autonomous manner. And end of the course, a proficiency test will be conducted. Based on the proficiency, the grade will be awarded. Good luck.